Hello, beautiful souls. How are you all doing? Welcome into the space. Welcome into day 10 if you have been following this full series. Thank you so much for sharing your presence, your beautiful light in this space. It is so welcome here, and I truly feel blessed to be on this journey with you all, to share in this space and to anchor into our gateway together. If you're new here, welcome in. My name's Lissy and I'm a soul guide from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I specialise in the gateway of the heart. I bring through transmissions to support you in your everyday life. I work one-on-one with clients in my clinic to support the journey of the heart that is unique to you, your unique framework, that the path that you are on is opening up for you. And this great transition phase where we are releasing and shedding density to come into alignment, come into balance, come into greater levels of embodiment with our multi-dimensional self. Through that experience, we harmonize the inner yin and yang, the inner masculine and feminine, so that we can step into all that we seek through community, through connection, through freedom, through peace, through love. So today we're going to close out this series with a really nourishing heart journey. It is going to help you soften into the energy that is supporting you in this moment as we open up to your guides, as we slow the pace down, as we rest in and just simply allow yourself to be felt and seen in this moment. Closing down your eyes. Breathing in together, expanding your belly, drawing this breath of life, this life force energy as we share in this breath together. All the way in and letting go. And again, breathing in together. And releasing. Just taking some time to get comfortable, feel into your body, relax into the space. Feel yourself connecting in, giving your muscles, your tendons, your ligaments permission to relax, to let go, and perhaps scanning your awareness through your body to any area that you're holding tension. Breathe in. Allow your awareness to flow with the energy into that space, and as you let go, feel that area releasing its tension, energetically flowing down your body, in through the soles of your feet, and releasing into the energy of Gaia. Breathing in deeply. Letting go, softening into the space. Yesterday's transmission was a high dose of light from the energy of the beautiful Arcturian beings of light. The energy of the throat chakra is very dominant as we move into the new earth energy. Tu'ak in ia, no tu'umia, coming into our authentic expression, but also allowing the shift and the rise of what we are locked into. And when we push up against that, the discomfort that we can feel, our sound is our greatest teacher to show us where we are still trapped or limited or locked in to a certain way of being that is no longer in resonance with our authentic expression of who we are. And so what we are shaking loose through sound and vibration is the energy that is ready to transform, transmute, and open us up, to free us to a waraini, where once it might have served us, to a kia no ukia na, now it is ready to return. Tu a suni shala aniaka. Tu wati ia. Wani suma e ini. So today you're invited to rest within your body, yet expand out into the fullness of your soul's light. And with each breath, you are tuning the space to go deeper within. To let go into the vastness. And san eki ana. Tushan e. There is nothing that you need to be doing other than breathing and receiving, feeling the flow through your body, expanding out beyond your body. And as you dial in, tune into the awareness of your heart space. Feel, see, sense through your mind's eye as if you are taking a journey within, as you are stepping into that space. Notice a path opening up for you now. This path held in the energy of Gaia is going to meet you with a certain element, texture, tone, whether it be sand or dirt or moss or rocks or water. Feel yourself stepping in along this path as if your soul is just being drawn from each step deeper and deeper into the space between, a returning and softening into yourself, arriving home. Te aroka nali ise te karaku unisha. And as you dial in, tune in, feel yourself stepping along this path, going deeper into the darkness, illuminated by the light of this path. Breathing, receiving. Feel your body shifting in its vibration, like dialing in to the frequency of your soul. Noticing a soft stream of light ahead of you, almost like a waterfall over the path. This aquamarine light that is flowing down invites you to step through. And as you step through this portal, this gateway, you enter into the inner healing sanctuary within your heart. Welcome into the space that is opening up for you as you step through the stream of light. Noticing your body transforming into the iridescent form of light. As you look down at your left and right palms, the energy pouring from you, the vibration, the colors, and the pure joy that is radiating out as you rebalance, reharmonize into the expansive flow, unrestricted landscape within. Breathe it in. Feel it pulling you deeper. Opening you into your source, your I am presence, the divine energy of one. As if returning into yourself, plugging back in to the wellspring of your soul. Feel the colors of this world, this inner sanctuary opening up around you. You may begin to see different images. Your soul may take you to a certain space, certain feeling. Allow the space to open up fully in its own unique expression for you now. Walking into this inner sanctuary, as you look around you, feel what's opening up. What guides may be stepping forward, what spirit animals are you being shown maybe a past experience, a place that you've been to, place out in nature, or perhaps a sanctuary that you've never seen before, that doesn't quite make sense. Allow that to open up. If you're not getting any images, allow yourself to soften into the feeling of this space. Perhaps the tones, the colors. Perhaps you hear a connection to your higher self, to your guides. Breathe. Find a place that you're drawn to sit down, to connect in. And as you sit down, you notice that this environment is so receptive to your light, that it illuminates, it responds to your every movement, your every breath. It breathes with you. en toia shala anatoki enia. As if you are tapped into a mycelium network. Tu maya tu sha. Notice with each breath you feel the entire space around you. Tu ak ena te eka. Ishan ak o eni samoma. Tu sha. Some of you might be being led into water, led onto a crystal table. Tuake ena sam o ekia. However and wherever you're shown to go, trust what is opening up for you. Tukiana, tu ishan akeana. Tika ure eni te emma tu ikiata. Sha, moe te emma. Feel with every breath held within the space. Like drinking nectar for your soul. Feel the nourishment through your body. A soft recalibration through your field. A gentle return into yourself, into balance, into alignment, into trust. As you surrender in this space, you open up these beautiful foundations that are anchoring your heart open. To bear witness to your own transformation. Te korania ta aina soko unia. Weshan e eniato ika eato miasa. Chu ana eko ni aka. Returning into this space is a return to your multidimensional nature, and with that, access to your full cosmic heritage. From within your gateway of your heart is where you touch on your soul's expression, the blueprint, the architecture that you may weave consciously into your world. Wai ana aka muti eka re'en. As we close the space now, feel yourself standing once more. A stream of light appearing before you, saying goodbye to any guides, any animals who are present with you in this space. And within your mind's eye, feel, see, sense yourself stepping through this beautiful waterfall of light once more. Coming all the way back into your body with your breath. Closing down the space now. Feel the soft return greeting you in this moment. You may like to place your hands on your heart, on your belly, breathing in. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session for this series. If you've joined me for the entire series, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you all have a really blessed day. Take care, and we will see you again soon.